Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to unlock the secrets of successful predictive maintenance programs, also known as PDM. We'll be diving into the specifics of planning and implementing a PDM program, from knowing what measurements to gather, to investing in data gathering technology, understanding calculation algorithms, and choosing the right sensor equipment. Stick around to learn how to accurately assess the health of your assets and ensure the longevity of your PDM program. Let's dive right into the topic of predictive maintenance programs. It's a topic we often discuss, and for good reason. Implementing a PDM program requires careful planning and a deep understanding of the types of measurements that provide actionable data about the health of your assets. So, what do you need to get started with a PDM program? First and foremost, you need to know what kind of measurements to gather. This is crucial for the success and longevity of your PDM program. Think of these measurements as the symptoms of your assets. Without this valuable information, your maintenance team won't be able to take the necessary action. For example, if an asset doesn't generate much heat, or if the heat levels don't indicate a fault, there's no need to invest in expensive infrared technology. So, it's important to critically examine your proposed predictive assets and determine exactly which measurements, such as sound, vibration, or heat, are needed to accurately assess the health of your equipment. Next, you'll need to invest in data gathering technology. This is a significant part of a PDM program. You're going to need sensors and cameras to measure data, but more importantly, you need a place for all of that data to go. It's also a good idea to invest in technology with a mobile component. This allows your technicians and maintenance staff to check asset health on the go. Thirdly, you'll need to understand and use calculation algorithms. This is key to tracking patterns and trends in your assets. These calculations won't be useful right away, as the monitoring technology needs some time to build up a history of use and predict future issues. But laying this groundwork will ensure the success of your PDM program. Finally, you'll need the right sensor equipment. Once you know what measurements you need, you can start investing in condition monitoring equipment to take those measurements. Here are some common monitoring techniques you should consider, each requiring a specific type of sensor: vibration, lubricant testing, infrared or heat, acoustics or sound, and current and voltage. Once you've got these basics down, your PDM program should start to take shape. This will help your maintenance team crack down on issues even before they happen. So, start planning, invest in the right technology, understand your algorithms, and get the right sensor equipment. Thank you for watching. We've covered the key concepts of implementing a successful PDM program, including gathering the right measurements, investing in data gathering technology, understanding calculation algorithms, and choosing the right sensor equipment. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For further information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and remember, your predictive maintenance program is well on its way to success.